Welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today, we will talk about how to be smart by exercising your brain. Intelligence isn't always something you're born with. You can make yourself smarter with a little bit of hard work. To be smart, exercise your brain with puzzles and creative tasks. Develop your people skills, learn as much as you can about as much as you can, and continually strive to broaden your horizons by keeping an open mind and stepping outside your comfort zone. Here are the top 4 ways on how to be smart by exercising your brain. Number 1. Work on puzzles like the Rubik's Cube. Doing puzzles like this will keep your brain working and increase your mental capabilities. Your brain is a muscle. You have to exercise it. Always listen to your brain and your mind. Sudoku is a great puzzle to try to solve and expands your thinking. This can be purchased in books, are often printed in newspapers, and are easily found for free online. Number 2. Do artistic activities. Creativity is a skill that can be developed. Drawing, sculpting, painting, and other arts unleash your creative side and expand your problem-solving skills. A creative brain can think outside the box to find ways to get things done better and faster. Number 3. Do math. Learn how to do mental sums or speed math. The hard thinking that is required for math will make your brain work hard and help develop the connections that will help you think better and faster. Number 4. Write stories or poetry. Creative writing forces your brain to work on inventing situations and dialogue, characters, and environments. This will make you a better thinker and help you process information. Using language like this will also improve your vocabulary and speech. Writing is also a fantastic way of expressing yourself and your thoughts. So, here we have it. The top 4 ways on how to be smart by exercising your brain. Remember, increasing your intelligence may seem difficult, but as long as you have an eagerness to learn, it's a very doable